What's this called again, chat? Air freshener, air freshener, air freshener, arcade. All right, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Car scent, yeah. Skip ad. Ah, I knew it. What's this an ad for? Oh, we biking? Oh, new hair, who this? Oh, they look fresh though, real talk. Oh. Fresh? Hey, 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 hey. 24/7 like swabe ang dating niya sobrang fresh. Matigas pa rin kahit naka-basic white tee. Hey. Sa bubulag na alas siya am icy. Icy, icy. Ukay man na pricey. Hey. Kita na suot lagi akong spicy. Spicy, spicy. Dito pilit. Lagi akong fresh kahit di bagong gupit. Randa mo ang dating kahit di kayo nakapikit. Hey, hey, hey. Harder than sometimes misses sometimes, but if you said Curry, it's okay. Oh, damn. Ain't nobody fresher than me. Okay, okay, talk your shit. Nobody can do it like me. Nobody? Got it? You got it? What you got? Hey. Hey, my boy. Hey, hey. Okay, first like roses. Big ass hat. The hell is that? What the god? Nah, nah. Big ass brim hat. Nah. 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 Big ass hat. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, he killing it though. Hey, hey, so fresh, so clean. Everybody in this thing, so clean. Hey, 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 you, what you got for me? I like his hairstyle, bro. This, I keep on missing it. His hairstyle, like, I wanna bleach my hair. I've been influenced. Ain't nobody fresher than me. Talk to him. Oh, I want more, to be honest. Ooh, wait, hold up. Hold up, hold up. That's what's up. That's what's up. I like it. I like it. Damn. The whole credit's up there. Hey, hey. Hey, shout out to the team. Shout out to the team. What happened? Is that like the is that like the track list? Oh. Okay. That was a bouncy type of song, bro. You know, girls need to twerk on that. Boys too, if you want to twerk too, because I'll be twerking as well. Shout out to BGYO. Fresh. They do be looking fresh. And without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.